Let's check your video for copyright issues directly in CapCut before you upload it to YouTube. The first thing you need to know is that your video must be longer than 1 minute for this feature to work. If your video is too short, CapCut won't run the check, so keep that in mind. Once you finish editing your project, look at your timeline. You want to tap the Zoom to Fit Timeline button so you can clearly see your entire project from start to finish. Now, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Export button. This will bring up your export settings menu where you usually change your resolution and frame rate. Instead of hitting export immediately, scroll down to the bottom of this menu. Look for the option that says Copyright Check. Right now, it is likely turned off. Click the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Once you toggle this on, CapCut will automatically start to analyze your entire audio track. The important thing is that this process takes a little bit of time depending on how long your video is, so let it run completely. When it finishes analyzing, a message will pop up on your screen. If there is a copyright issue with your music or sound effects, the message will tell you exactly what the violation is. If your video is completely clean, it will give you a message saying no copyright issues found. Now, the catch here is that this scanner only checks the current database, so it does not guarantee 100% safety against future manual claims by creators, but it catches almost all automatic flags. Once you see the clean notification, you can go ahead and click the final export button at the bottom.